My son came home from school one day and told me that his teacher said he should bring tissue paper. I was tired and irritated, so I replied him without thinking. Didn't I give you two rolls barely 2 weeks ago when school resumed? Is your teacher a thief? Go and eat your food. The boy quietly walked away, and I didn't give it a thought that day again. The following day, when my son didn't go to school with the tissue paper, the teacher asked why. Did you tell your mommy? And my son said yes. So what did she say? The teacher asked again. And my innocent child boldly said, my mommy said you are a thief. The teacher was furious and she went to the school proprietress, who managed to calm her down before putting a call to my husband. My husband had to calm things down by saying that I was out of town and that our son could be playful sometimes. He also asked them to disregard what our son said as child's talk. When I heard the full story, I was ashamed. I didn't mean to call the teacher a thief. It was just a careless talk, but my child repeated it word for word. I decided to share this story so that parents out there could learn from my mistake. Children don't always understand context, but they repeat what we say. So we need to be careful with words, especially around them.